New Zealand's automotive and tyre shops. Here we are, nearly at the end of 2020, and what a year it's been. Challenging, tiring, with a huge amount of pressure, but together we've come out the other side stronger, and we're all looking forward to a successful and happy 2021 as we expand and grow our businesses together. Now, to all our customers out there that have equipped gear, over the holiday season, if there's any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll still make sure that we're available to solve any of your problems. Equipped has just launched a full tyre bay consumable catalogue. Equipped is running the quality Maruni brand from out of Japan for all these products, so they are guaranteed excellent quality. This covers everything from patches to cement to sealers and much more. And then finally, your tyre changing products, so your valves, valve tools, and paste and lube. So everything that you need for a tyre bay. Get in touch with how we can help you with these products. This is our latest November-December specials brochure, and it contains 2 new hoists that we now stock. A 2-post 4-tonne and a 4-post 4-tonne. Both these Steiner products give excellent value for money and come with our gold standard 3-year warranty. So find out how we can help you with these today. Lastly, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much for supporting us in 2020. We've enjoyed the privilege of being able to work with you to help you do your job the best way you can. So now that we're at the end of the year, let's take some time to relax, recuperate, and prepare ourselves for a cracker of a 2021. Thank you very much.